Check out this tiny house is built on the trailer. It's on wheels. In total it has 23 square meters and a huge terrace and a doggy. The terrace is covered with a roof so you can enjoy it even in the rainy days. Here you have a living room and a cat. There's a fireplace, sofa, lots of storage here in the stairs. The table, which is like L-shaped, that two people can sit at it comfortably. Proper stove and oven. Farm sink, more storage on the stairs. Here you have a fridge, here is a dishwasher. Behind this door is a shower. The space here is extended more like this, like a U shape, to have more space for a sink and some storage. Flushing toilet, barn door, and in the house there are two lofts. This is the main loft with a queen size bed and more storage by the bed. On the other side is a guest bedroom with a single mattress, and actually it's being used as a cat house now. And it's very nice. It's built platform between two lofts, which is as a storage, and same time you have a lot of open space, which makes to feel this house a bit more spacious.